So let me show you again how to do the pearls. I have other videos where I show you that, and of course how to start your knitting and how to cast off your knitting. So let me show you again slowly. I always do the end stitch like this. That's how I learned it. Let me show you again. I go in here. Can you see? Then I pull this thread around and pull it through and push on it like this and around. You see how I put this thread in front of the needle, put this needle in here, twist around, then I take this, my thumb, hold on to it and pull it through. That's how I do the knit stitch. I'll do it again slowly for you. Okay, maybe a little bit from the side. Okay, I'll put the thread over it, put this needle behind this thread, come through here, hold on to this thread, pull it through, hold on to this thread again, and pull through. There, you got it. I knitted a few and I thought I could show you, so I turned the camera back on. I like the aluminum knitting needles. I don't like the bamboo ones or the plastic ones as much.